All right, go ahead. Back on that wall in the back. There you go. Okay, stop when you get to the. Keep it a little more. You gotta let them know when to stop, Mike.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay, hold it. Stop. The slack. When the line's slack, don't let them go. All right, let them.
I'm kind of standing on it.
Okay. When you get down there, they'll slack off your balls there.
All right.
I'm just trying to get you down in there.
Keep
Go
going.
ahead. Down. Keep her going. Keep it going. Got light down in there for you?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm standing.
Okay. Let it down more. So you're standing right now. More.
Okay.
You're standing now, Mike?
Yep.
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let it go. Slack them. All right. You can go down if you need to go down, Mike.
Whew. Fucking glue will get you high.
You need some air down there, Mikey?
Does that have to fully seat in there?
It should almost butt up. I think it's got to stop in there. It can
Yeah, it's a little short, but almost butted up.
Mm-hmm.
But
I'm talking about a lot of butts down there, guys.
He is.
Butt this, butt
I
that.
need something
Keep it clean down there, Mike.
straight to kind of see.
Next.
So fucking gross. I can taste it.
Oh. Like Shay said, you're doing the Lord's work down there, Mikey.
He's like, fuck you guys.
It's just that glue.
Well, you're the one that put glue all over the place at the end.
Is that purple glue or primer all over your white jumpsuit, Mikey?
Good.
Damn.
That's it. Just the tube.
That's it.
We're going to send you down with a bib next time.
Yeah.
Watch yourself.
Yep.
Hey, that's not what my wrenches are for, dude.
Yeah, it'll clean. You need to look at the control box.
Yeah, I'll give you a break and some fresh air.
Just hang him there so we can hose him off.
All right, you're free, Mikey.
Good job, Mike.
Excellent work.
The finished pumps. New overloads and motor starters. Do you force the contactor down?
I want to make sure the floats
Yeah.
enable it.
Should be enough.
Mikey, will you hand me that crank?
Like I said, no, not stop.